Proteins play a vital role in the daily functioning of our body. According to the UN data, about 1 billion people are protein deficient. How do we know whether we are one of them? Watch out for these 10 signs and symptoms related to protein deficiency. Food craving. If you're always hungry and have craving for food and snack, it may be because you could be having a high caloried food in which the amount of protein is low in comparison to that of carbs and sugar. Protein is responsible for keeping the correct sugar levels in your body. If you don't have enough of it, the troubled glucose level will inspire you to find a quick and easy solution by eating some snack. Loss of muscle mass and joint pain. Muscles are the body's largest reservoir of protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth and maintenance. Lack of protein in the diet reduces the muscle mass, makes you feel tired and gain weight. One also experiences pain in the joint. Skin and nail problems. Protein deficiency can affect the skin because protein enables skin regeneration, produces new cells and replaces the dead ones. Deficiency of protein makes skin dry, flaky, and cracked. Nail is made up of protein named keratin. Hence, loss of protein in the diet makes the nail brittle and break easily. Hair loss. 90% of our hair is composed of a protein called keratin. Lack of protein makes the hair thin and fade. This is because the body stops using protein for non-essential things like hair growth in an effort to preserve it. When the protein level in the body are low, the body distributes it to the processes that are more essential than hair growth. Fatty liver. A fatty liver is one of the most common symptoms of protein deficiency. If left untreated, it causes fatty liver disease, which leads to inflammation, liver scarring, and liver failure. Fatty liver means there is too much of fat in your liver. It's common to people who are obese or consume a lot of alcohol. Increased risk of bone fractures. Not having enough protein leads to weakening of the bones, thus increasing risk of bone fractures. Because protein is needed for calcium absorption and also helps in bone metabolism. Studies have shown that people who do not get enough protein in younger years experiences loss of bone density in their older years. Sleep deprivation. Proteins from the food we eat act as a building block for tryptophan, an amino acid that causes drowsiness, which means we should intake more protein during bedtime to get a better sleep. Shifting of the blood sugar levels also causes lack of sleep. Sufficient protein can help solve this problem. Headache and frequent illness. Two main reasons for headache are anemia and low blood sugar level. Both are linked to less protein intake. Proteins are important for stronger and better immune system. Swollen feet. Edema is a condition when extra fluid builds up in your body and makes feet swell. Protein prevents salt and water from leaking out of the blood vessels and getting into tissues where they don't belong to. Brain fog. To support brain functions, it's very important to have sufficient intake of protein. If you experience poor memory, motivation, and trouble learning anything new, it's a sign that you are protein deficient.